Hi, can everybody hear me? Hi, welcome to Elephant Robotics channel. 有声音吗？ Hi, good morning. From China, but I think if you are in the United States, it should be evening. So good evening for those who are in United States. And also if you are from Japan or Korea, then this is good morning from me. Welcome to Elephant Robotics channel. I think some of you might have seen our poster about today's topic. We're going to talk about machine vision and have some demonstration of using this robotic arm with AI kit. How many people are there? I think someone is entering this broadcasting room, and someone still waiting to enter. So we may wait for about several minutes to start our topic today. Our live stream today, we will not using slides. Just me and my colleagues do some demonstration and talk about some machine vision. So if you are interested in this topic, just don't leave, and we will probably have some discussion later. So this is a live stream, and if you have any questions or any feedbacks, feel free to leave a comment in the chat box, right? We will see your questions, your feedbacks, your comments, and we will answer some of it after this live stream or in the end of the live stream. So we are doing this live stream on YouTube and Twitter. Please follow us. And after this live stream, we will bring more interesting and funny materials and useful materials about the AI kit and machine learning, machine vision. So about machine vision, have you heard of it, or have you done some research about machine vision or computer vision? Or if you are interested in using a robot arm to make some demonstration or research, then in this topic, we will discuss how to combine a robotic arm with some machine vision. So I think there are many demonstration or applications that are already in use of the industry or other agriculture industry, something like that. It will be a hot topic, right, in the world today. So that's why we choose to talk about machine vision today. Before the demonstration, we will talk about what is machine vision and what is a robotic arm. Also, we will talk about the common applications of combination of the machine vision. Okay. So we are waiting for some more visitors or viewers into this broadcasting room. If you are interested in this topic, we will talk more about this topic later, and we will do some demonstration about machine vision and robotic arm. So feel free to leave a comment. Okay. So let's start. First, I want to talk about something about the machine vision. So machine vision was created in the 1980s and 1990s. Engineers devise a method for teaching a robot to see. So you can see that if you have a robotic arm, there is no other cameras or other vision device, then this robotic arm cannot see. But with cameras here, we can do many applications. So vision systems help cobots perform tasks such as inspecting, identifying, and counting. A good example is the inspection of a motherboard after it has been soldered. Thanks to artificial intelligence, the robot learns when a product does or does not meet the quality requirements in order to then solve them. So if you have a motherboard, then in the industry, the motherboard should be shoulder right. But if it doesn't meet the requirements, we don't need to manually to check it. We can combine some algorithm for the computer or for the processor. So with a camera, then the cobot will see if whether the motherboard meets the requirements, right? Sorting can also be based on the QR code or the barcode, something that can be very useful within the logistic processes. For example, the robot can learn based on the code on a box on which pallet it should be stacked. At present, most robot vision systems are used for materials handling and removals. So if in a working line with the cobots, it can increase our productivity and working efficiency. So the advantages of machine vision, there are a lot of advantages, right? Machine vision help the robots do recognition and data collection. Also, with the machine vision system, the robots can stop immediately if they detect some obstacles when moving or working. This will increase the safety no matter in working environment or scientific experiment. So in a lab or in the industry, the cobot may be larger than this one. And if without the artificial intelligence or the machine vision, this robot cannot detect any danger, so it may harm the workers or the staff. With the machine vision, the the cameras, then the cobots will have eyes, and with the computer or the processor that installed in the robotic arm, then this brain will know whether there is an obstacle or other dangerous things, right? So this will increase the safety when working. After that, the vision-guided robots are more reliable than their non-seeing counterparts. The machine vision systems make robots more intelligentized. So working efficiency, just I mentioned before, will be increased too. So I think a lot of you may have seen the advantages of the machine vision combined with the robotic arm or the robot. So how can we do it? There is some algorithm about the machine vision online. it should be open source. But how? How can we combine it? So here is a demonstration from our company, from Elephant Robotics. We had AI kit, and we had a lot of open sources for you to learn machine vision, to learn artificial, also learn the robotics. And we can also provide some necessary details or like these devices for you to learn from the beginner. So based on the linear system and one-on-one simulation model in rows, the AI kit composes of the vision. Here you can see there is a camera. This one is a camera. So we can have some accurate grabbing. This is a Samsung Point. So we are going to demonstrate how this robotic arm can recognize the colors or pictures, images, and then to grab it, grab the block or grab this card. And then here we have some algorithms to identify the colors and the images. And this Samsung Pen will put these blocks or cards into the corresponding buckets. So we have a few of rules that we are going to put the blocks or cards into each bucket. And this one, we don't need to manually to do it. We just need to put the block or the cards, and this kit, AI kit, and the robotic arm will do the automate sorting automatically, right? Featuring robotic vision, equipped camera can recognize and locate the blocks of different colors and images through what? Through OpenCV. So if you have heard of artificial intelligence or computer vision, then you might have heard of this open source library, OpenCV. And then the core processor of this robot here, we combine it to the robotic arm together. This processor can calculate the current and targeted spatial coordinate positions. And finally, this arm will grab a block into the corresponding bucket. So before the demonstration, I want to talk about this robotic arm of Elephant Robotics. This one is the new one from Elephant Robotics in this year's July, July. And mechArm is its name. mechArm, MECH means mechanical. mechArm is the most compact and portable collaborative robot arm. So because it's very, very small, so it's portable. You can do some research at home and then take it to your work or your labs and continue your research. It is tough but reliable, and you can see from its structure, it looks like a typical industrial robotic arm, but this one is not industrial, but its structure, its style just looks like an industrial robotic arm. We want to give you a sense that wow, this is the smallest demonstration of an industrial robotic arm model. And if the algorithm works in this small model, then there should be some practical experience to put into the future experiment and also the real working system. So its effectiveness enables users to increase programming efficiency with reliability. Elephant Robotics launched mechArm in like M5 stack. This one is M5 stack version, and we also have a Raspberry Pi versions. So if you are more familiar with the coding or programming with M5 stack, then you can choose M5 stack version. But if you are more familiar with the ecosystem of Raspberry Pi, then you can choose the Raspberry Pi version. Both are okay, and you just choose no matter which one is suited for you. Today we will show you the mechArm M5 version to achieve the recognition and applications. So we had two demonstrations here. The first one is color recognition. So we have our 4 colors: green, blue, red, and yellow here. So this one is our first demonstration. And the second one is the image recognition. So here we have a lot of cars that have image, like this one is books. This one is books. So we have some rules for the sorting. So the color recognition first, we will demonstrate. And it refers to grabbing the corresponding colors block and putting them into the corresponding color buckets within with the recognition area in this area and range. So the first one is that. So our rules is that we have four colors, right? And then the red, I want to put the red one to the red block and the yellow one. So we don't have a yellow bucket here, so we are going to put it into the gray one. And the blue goes to the blue and green goes to green. This is the first demonstration. And the second one is that is the image recognition. The image recognition refers to grabbing the cars with different images, right, into different colors buckets. So we have some rules as well. We have programming. We have programmed it before, and we'll show you how to program now. And you can also find the process of this project in Hackster. And we will also put this Hackster link or the link after this live stream. And you are welcome to join our community. We have a lot of members there who are interested in robotics and who are really interested in making their own robotic arm or their own robotic systems. So I think a lot of you may have heard about the sorting. Like we have some rules here. So we have the recycle one. This one is should be a recycle garbage bucket, and this one is harmful refill, and this one is the kitchen waste. So we have some rules here for the sorting. Like this one is the crab shells. It should go to this kitchen waste, right? So I'm going to do some demonstration here. So if you are interested in it, just don't leave, and I will do some program here. For those who are from Twitter, we are very sorry about the thing that we cannot share the screen to Twitter. But if you are from YouTube, then I'm going to share my screen so you may see it. Can you see my share screen? Yeah. So I'm going to open rows system. No, ROS launch, right? Okay. Oh, rules launch. mechArm. Vision and 5 stack launch, right? So this is it. From this simulation, we can see the the simulation of the artificial intelligence kit, and also this mechArm, robotic arm. And it's real time. So if the position of this robotic arm is has changed, then the demonstration will also change. So the first demonstration I'm going to do here is the color recognition. So I had explained the rules to you before. The blue goes to the blue, the red goes to red, green goes to green, but for the yellow, I'm going to make it to go to this gray bucket. The algorithm is based on the OpenCV. So if you want to dive into the further about this algorithm, I do recommend you to search for the open source of the OpenCV. So here I'm going to run the color recognition Python script. So we have written this Python scripts before. So I'm going to do the demonstration here. Oh. See. Oh. Okay. I'm going to do the color recognition first. So I'm going to open this Python script in the corresponding folder. Now you can see from here, this Python script has opened the camera. So if you can see, this is my finger, and you can see from this system, from this rows system, it should have some delay, but that's okay, that's accessible. And then from this terminal, you can see it's at identifying my finger's location. So here, I'm going to open it again. Yeah.
可能开太久了，然后就比较热。
才下去不够，对。
这个好。
So we are going to see whether it's correct. Yeah. So we have put the blue color here, and this one, the machine will recognize its color and put it to the blue bucket. We'll do it again for the green block. So you can see from this picture, from here, the block, the color of this block have been recognized, and then will be great, and then it will be put into the green bucket if it is right. Yeah, so we will test whether the red color is right. This one is the yellow color, so it should be put into the gray bucket. Have you tried the red color before? No, right? So this is our last test of this red color. So I'm going to explain some parameters here. So each time I put the block into this recognition area, the processor will detect there is a block, and it will see which color it should be, and also it should identify the position of this block. So then this robotic arm can grab the block, right? It needs to know the position, the coordinates of this block. So these parameters here is the coordinates of each block. So it will bring some calculations here. And from this one, you can see the blue line, blue rectangle of this block. So if this block, the blue rectangle appear, then it means the object is recognized. So if you are very familiar with the algorithm of OpenCV, then you should have know about the process of the calculation. And if you want to apply it to the industrial, then I recommend that you should do a little test in the laboratory, right? So here is the demonstration of this robotic arm of the color recognition. So I will demonstrate another function we had for the image recognition. So now we open this again.它那个，我怎么看它里面有哪个图片啊 ？Which one? So there is some rules we can do for the image recognition. So in this one, I in the blue bucket, the blue, gray, green, red buckets, we had stored some images before. So if the images in the blue folder, then it will recognize this one. So let's test whether this book, the book could go to the blue one. So the blue one should be a recycle bucket. So books are recyclable, right? So let's test. Here I put the book under the camera, and you can see it recognizes this book. And then it should go to the blue bucket if it is right. And also let's check the gray one. We had some data before. So the gray one should be expired tablets. In this one, it says it's other garbage, right? I don't know whether the expired tablet really goes to the other garbage, but we have set the rules like that. So let's demonstration whether it is right. So I have put the expired tablets under the camera, and then it recognizes it. It should go to the gray bucket. Yeah, that's true. So I think you have probably know the rules, right? So if the images, the data has stored in the corresponding folder, then it will really go to this corresponding colors, the bucket, right? But I think some of you may have wondered how to add the data. So I will demonstrate how to add the data here. Python compile text. 诶，它那个叫什么名字
Add image.
Add image, right? We have also written a Python script about add image. So the first one, from this instruction, you can see which procedure we will take next. For example, I want to add the crab shell to the like the kitchen waste bucket. So this one is green one. The first one I need to do is to take a picture of the grab shell. So the first one is I will okay. The first one is that I should take a picture, right? So I type that, and then I put the card under the camera. The camera, where is the camera? And I should select the corresponding where is it? 怎么把它关掉呢？那个。Okay, and I will select the Z. 我按了呀 Z。
对，按 Z。
哦。
然后把这个拖出来。
Yep, and I will select the recognition area and press enter. Let me check whether this. No, there's some errors from the procedure. I will demonstrate it again. Yeah. So I had already put the crab shell here, and I press that, right? And I select the recognition area, and I want to put it into the green one. So the green one should be 3, right? So I will go to this one. I will go to the green one to see, yeah, this picture has added to the library. So now I will test whether it really goes to the green bucket. This one I should also detect the image. So I had to run the corresponding Python script. So I will do an introduction again. So if you don't want to miss this free service robot in China for 2020 report, then just follow us, follow our YouTube channel, follow our Twitter channel and Facebook channel, and we will share it to you for free. And remember, this report is about China's service robot market report in China, but it should give you some insight of the global market, and it is about 40 pages. So it will be full of information that you want to know. Just don't miss this free report, right? Free report, and we will also upload this PDF on our website. Just follow our channel and you will see how to get it. So our live stream is going to be off, going to end, going to finish, right? And if you have any questions, you can type in the chat box. Or if you don't have any questions, but you might have some questions for consolation, then you can follow us. We will upload this recording after we have edited, and then you can see the whole recording. So that's it for today's live stream. I hope you can learn something from this live stream, or I hope you find it funny and useful for you. We as a elephant robotic company, we do want to share some industrial insights and some knowledge about robotics and our projects to you. So if you don't want to miss out any information or events in the future, just follow us. We will bring some more interesting and useful, helpful events in the future. And we may have more products for review and demonstration. So thanks for your time. This live stream is going to finish. If you have some more comments or questions, you can go to our Twitter channel, YouTube channel, or Facebook channel to share your views or comments, and we can discuss it later. So this is end. We'll see you in the next video and next live stream.